What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at again with another video. We are still waiting for these election results as of Wednesday, November 4th. I believe that's what day we are on. Let me double check that. Yup. Wednesday, November 4th. We're still waiting for election results, but that's not really what this video is about. This video is actually a pretty quick video talking about Robinhood, and it's actually a Robinhood, not a portfolio update, but just a Robinhood update in general. Robinhood has a couple of new features that are available now for some people, and other features that are available coming soon, possibly available now for some people, not available now for me, but coming soon that I want to let you guys know about. So just a quick Robinhood update video, not portfolio, but just features that they have coming soon. So let's get into this real quick video. We can go over those features and how they'll basically help you when it comes down to investing your money. Let's get into it. Let's go. So the first Robinhood feature is actually pretty old news. It actually released basically when the new iOS came out. If you guys don't know what iOS is, it's basically this software that runs iPhones. So when iOS 14 came out, they announced a new feature on Robinhood that allows you to have widgets on your home screen for Robinhood. Those widgets allow you to see your portfolio, to see your stocks, to see it all live or semi-live really within a couple of minutes of data updating without you actually opening the Robinhood app. Pretty cool stuff. I have mine set up on my phone so I can basically see my portfolio without opening up the app. If you're someone that likes to keep that information private, then I probably would just not put it on your home screen or wherever you want to put it at. I would just sign into the Robinhood app like normal and check my portfolio whenever I want to. But me personally, I don't really care, and I obviously don't care that much because I show you guys my portfolio basically every single month. So I definitely don't really care how much money I can see or whoever else can see is in my Robinhood account. Either way, if you want to add it, you can add it. All you have to do is hold down on your home screen. Basically, once you hold down your home screen, all your apps and stuff will jiggle, basically, you know, like they normally do, jiggle, shake, however you want to call it. So after you do that, not like you're going to delete the app, but you're going to go all the way up to the top left corner of your iPhone, click that plus button, and that's where you'll be able to add any type of widgets, but in particular, the Robinhood widget. You can choose between 4 different Robinhood widgets, which will show you, like I said before, your portfolio and some stocks, just your portfolio and some more stocks. I think it just like shows like 2 or 3, and then your portfolio and then about 6 stocks basically. So however you want to have it set up, however you want the square to be, however large, small you want it to be, there you go, that's it. But let's get into the second Robinhood update that it actually just announced a couple days ago. So with the second Robinhood update, it's actually rolling out right now to basically all their users. It's not available yet for me. I haven't seen it on my app, but maybe it's on your app already, maybe not. But either way, it's rolling out. It's coming to you soon, just don't know when, can't give you a definite date. The Robinhood Twitter account actually made an update about 6 days ago, basically letting you guys know what this feature is all about. And if you haven't seen the Robinhood Twitter account, or you don't follow the Robinhood Twitter account, because a lot of you probably don't, let's be honest, I'm going to tell you what it is right here. So it says right here, starting today, some of you may begin to see changes to your investment and cash tabs, the first 2 tabs in your app. And basically what they're doing on the app is they're actually separating your cash from your investment. So let's say, for example, you deposit $1,000 in your Robinhood account. Normally in your Robinhood account, it'll just have an investing number at the top. It'll say investing, and then it'll have your portfolio value. Usually that's what it is. That's how it is right now as far as I know, but once this update rolls out, it'll be a little bit different. Let's also say that you're going to invest $500 in Tesla, and that other $500 you're going to hang on to in cash to put in any stock that you may want to put in later. But for the time being, it'll be sitting in cash. With the update, there'll actually be tabs to your overall portfolio value. So like I said before, you have $1,000 in the account overall, you have $500 sitting in Tesla, and you have the other $500 just sitting in cash. Once you actually click on that portfolio value that you have, that $1,000, it'll show you that you have $500 here in stocks and you have the other $500 here in cash. If you click on that right now without the update, nothing basically happens, but you can see down below how much buying power you have, which is basically the same thing. Overall, they're just making it a little bit simpler, a little bit easier to read, and overall better, I guess, for everyone. Obviously, a lot of investors already know this, but for the people that don't or just getting into investing, like I said before, Robinhood is probably one of the best apps to just jump into investing with. This is a great feature. For me, I don't personally need it, but I'll accept it. It's not going to hurt me. It doesn't ruin the app or anything like that, but it's a nice feature to have. So that is the new feature. The investing tab will display whatever you're invested in, and the cash tab will display whatever amount of money you have in cash. It's that simple.
Perfect. Yes, excellent.
As I mentioned before, this update will be rolling out over the next few months. It's actually a pet peeve of mine, but I don't understand why Robinhood does their updates like this. it'd be cool if they could just do a mass update, but I understand that, they might want to get bugs out or whatever, and people might run into issues, and it is money. So, people, when people's money looks kind of strange, people might be calling or emailing a lot. They probably don't want a lot of the people doing that. I get it. But I just rather them do updates through the App Store. Like, once you go update your Robinhood app, boom, the app actually updates, not just randomly updates over the air or whatever, however they do it now. I personally don't like that, but I mean, that's not just Robinhood, that's other apps as well. Plenty of apps do this, it's not Robinhood. So just a pet peeve of mine. Don't really care. It's not that big a deal. I mean, if you care, you care. If I care, I care. It is what it is. But that is it overall for this video. So if you have any questions about Robinhood, investing, personal finance, this channel in general, then just let me know down in the comment section below, or you can let me know on my Twitter or my Instagram, because they'll both be down below, and I respond to all of them on that platform. So, well, on those respective platforms, because I do that. Also, if you have any video requests, please just let me know down in the comment section below, or watch my last video, because I kind of go over a couple questions and other video requests. I'll have it linked up top. So that's kind of it. Either way, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you didn't enjoy it, make sure you hit that dislike button twice. The secret word of today is what's the secret word today? Mike. Not my name. Mike. M-I-C. We'll put that. That's the secret word today. Boom. So if you type that Mike down below, I'll know you watch this video. M-I-C down below, I'll know you watch this video this far through, which is great because this is the end of the video. While you're down there, make sure you also hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because only about 7 to 8% of you are actually subscribed to this channel. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much in advance. And that's kind of it. So I'm out. Dollar Mike. Peace.